Curious about finance terms like LVR? Get ready to unravel the mystery and master the language of finance with me. Join in as we break down what LVR really means and how it impacts your financial decisions. Hey there, finance enthusiasts! Ever come across the term LVR and wondered what it meant? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the world of finance to demystify LVR and empower you with valuable knowledge. But before we delve into the specifics, let's start with the basics. LVR stands for loan-to-value ratio, and it's a crucial concept in the world of lending and borrowing. Whether you're applying for a mortgage, seeking financing for a business venture, or investing in property, understanding LVR is essential for making informed decisions and managing risk effectively. So how exactly is LVR calculated, and what does it tell us about a loan or investment? LVR is calculated by dividing the amount of the loan by the appraised value of the asset being financed, typically expressed as a percentage. This ratio helps lenders assess the level of risk associated with a loan and determine the terms and conditions. Now that we understand how LVR works, let's explore its implications for borrowers and lenders. For borrowers, a lower LVR generally indicates less risk and may result in more favorable loan terms, such as lower interest rates and higher borrowing capacity. On the other hand, higher LVRs may lead to higher interest rates and stricter lending criteria. For lenders, LVR serves as a key risk management tool, helping them assess the potential for default and determine appropriate loan-to-value thresholds for different types of loans. By maintaining a balanced LVR across their loan portfolios, lenders can mitigate risk and safeguard their financial stability. In conclusion, understanding LVR is essential for anyone involved in borrowing, lending, or investing in assets. By mastering this concept, you can make informed financial decisions and navigate the complexities of the financial world with confidence. So the next time you encounter the term LVR, you'll know exactly what it means and how it impacts your financial situation. Knowledge is power, and now you're armed with the knowledge of LVR. Thanks for joining me on this journey to demystify LVR in finance. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe for more insights and tips on mastering the language of finance. Until next time, happy learning.